The market for large language model, that is LLM infrastructure, is rapidly growing with significant investment and a dynamic competitive landscape. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. There is a shift in the landscape of LLM development towards more organized and collaborative infrastructure. This shift likely reflects a maturation of the field where developers are pooling resources and expertise to create more efficient and effective solutions. The move towards collaboration and infrastructure optimization is common in many technology sectors as they mature. It enables developers to focus more on innovation and problem solving rather than reinventing the wheel with each project. Additionally, it promotes standardization and interoperability, which can lead to faster development cycles and improved scalability. Funding for LLM infrastructure companies has reached a staggering $10 billion as of March 2024, excluding major companies that secured over $1 billion. The sector has been a great support by venture capital backed startups founded in the last 2 years have collectively raised $650 million, highlighting the increasing interest. The key players in LLM includes Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta are the major forces offering their own LLM infrastructure solutions. At the same time, OpenAI with its popular ChatGPT is another prominent player. Additionally, several startups like Hugging Face and Stability AI are making waves in the space, offering innovative tools and functionalities. Even academic institutions are contributing to the development of LLM infrastructure. When we see the competitive landscape, the LLM infrastructure layer is witnessing fierce competition, with each player vying to provide the most powerful, accessible, and cost effective solutions. The future of AI is bright, and the modern LLM infra stack stands as the bedrock upon which this future is being constructed. Moving forward, this shift suggests a positive evolution in LLM development where the emphasis is not just on individual breakthroughs but on creating sustainable and scalable solutions that can drive continued progress in the field. Let's look into today's headline. Amidst company reshuffle, Paytm's president and COO Bhavesh Gupta resigns. Paytm's president and chief operating officer, that is COO Bhavesh Gupta, has stepped down from his position. While the company says it is part of a wider reorganization, but Gupta has stated personal reasons for resigning. Gupta's resignation will take effect from May 31st. Paytm has announced that Gupta will now serve in an advisory role within the company. Gupta's departure adds to the list of senior executives who have recently resigned from Paytm. Google to ban advertisers promoting deepfake and AI-generated nudity. Google has updated its inappropriate content policy to prohibit promoting synthetic content that has been altered or generated to be sexually explicit or contain nudity. The search engine giant will begin to enforce the policy update on May 30th of 2024. Google further stated that it takes violations of this policy very seriously and will suspend Google Ads accounts upon detection and without prior warning. Ola's Krutrim unveils its AI version for India. Ola's artificial intelligence platform Krutrim has revealed its plans to support developers in India to drive innovation in the country's AI sector. Alongside this, Krutrim introduced mobile apps for its AI assistant. The company focused on building comprehensive AI capabilities has also made its cloud platform Krutrim Cloud available to businesses, researchers and developers. Krutrim Cloud offers access to advanced AI computing infrastructure including Krutrim's core models. OpenAI's ChatGPT search engine may launch early next week. OpenAI's first Google Search-like product is about to reportedly go official in the next few days. OpenAI has been reportedly developing its Google alternative dubbed the ChatGPT search engine for a while now. The company has registered a new domain name search.chatgpt.com indicating an imminent launch. The ChatGPT search engine is speculated to be a product that combines the capabilities of a web search engine with generative AI capabilities like ChatGPT. A CEO of 19 firms sentenced to 6 years in prison for selling $1 billion fake Cisco products. The CEO of 19 firms, Onur Aksoy, located in Miami, was sentenced to more than 6 years in prison for selling counterfeit Cisco devices on Amazon and eBay for more than $1 billion. The fake goods permeated US military, educational, healthcare, and other governmental systems, including the systems that support fighter jets and other military hardware. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.